Welcome everyone in my magnificent dowsing world. I will have a great pleasure to run a series of courses organized by Finger Lake chapter of American Society of Dowsers. You are all invited. Let me just tell you a few words about those courses and lectures. On June 20, which is Thursday, I will run a lecture for chapter meeting, and the title of it is Dowsing for Miracles. It is really miracle that we can have right now pendulums which can enhance our own power and allow us to do unthinkable things. And I'm very happy that you will attend this meeting and we will be together gaining more knowledge and practice on how to create things regarding health, prosperity, joy in life, whatever you wish, to bring it down to your reality, to enjoy life better and to the fullest. And then on June 21st, which is Friday, we'll have an evening workshop about therapeutic pendulums, because therapeutic pendulums are known since I brought the concept from Europe over 30 years ago, but still there is so many things which people do not understand and apply in their practice, in their life, and so on. So we will talk more in depth about applications and power behind the therapeutic pendulums. So you can use them not only for healing, if you think you are not a healer, but also in your regular life to change it, to enhance your power, to bring more into your life of all things which are on your waiting list. And then on Saturday, June 22nd, we'll have a day filled with classes. There will be 2 classes, which you can take one of them or both together. Now, morning class will be dedicated to releasing and eliminating the vows and promises from your life. All blocks which stand on your way to success and to your more joyful and better life. I have many clients in my practice. They have all the potentials and all the talents. They just miss one thing: the purity of energy around them. And it's crucial today because people learn more and more, but they learn from the internet, which do not give all the details. And it doesn't matter why, but they do not provide all the parts necessary to remove them. So let's do it together. Let's go to the point. Let's learn how to find those curses, vows, promises, and so on, and then how to eliminate them so they will not block you, but also they will not block your future generations. And then, because when we protect something, when we clear something, healing goes easier. Then we will talk about diabetes. And for some of you, it may seems like, oh, it doesn't apply to me because I don't have diabetes. Look around you. How many people suffer for diabetes today? The diabetes level is on epidemic level right now, all over the world, but especially in North America. So let's talk about what is the reason for diabetes and what is the way of eliminating it. Type 2 diabetes is relatively easy to release, but we have to go to not to classic Western medicine, but we have to look into new vibrational medicine when we are talking about vibrations, when we are talking about emotions, when we are talking about the brain level. when specific areas of the brain are responsible for processing and sending signals to the parts of your body or organs to eliminate specific conditions, and therefore energies which they create in your brain, so the brain will not send misinformation to the pancreas to give you specific effects. So if you are interested in the true understanding of the core of dowsing, then I invite you to meet us all between June 20 and 22nd. So if you want to join us and get more information or enroll, contact Jeannie at 315-450-6995. I will wait for you, and we will do miracles with dowsing. Until then, have wonderful and successful life.